In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product on Podia. Duplicating a product is a quick way to reuse an existing course, download, or coaching template without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's especially helpful if you're creating seasonal versions, running A/B tests on content, or simply keeping your original product intact while you experiment with a new version. Start by opening your Podia dashboard and heading to the Products area. This is where all your existing products live and where you'll choose the one you want to copy. Scroll or search until you spot the product you want to duplicate. When you've found it, look to the right of that product's name for the three dots, the More Options menu. Click that menu to reveal the available actions for this specific product. From the drop-down, select Duplicate. Podia will open a pop-up that guides you through the final details before the copy is made. Here, give your duplicated product a clear, descriptive name. A helpful tip is to include a version, date, or audience tag in the name so you can easily tell it apart from the original later. You'll also see an option to duplicate the sales page. Turn this on if you want the new product to inherit the same sales page layout and content, which is great for consistency and speed. Leave it off if you want to start fresh with a different pitch or design. Choose the option that best fits how closely you want the new version to mirror the original. Once your name and sales page preference are set, click the Duplicate Product button. Podia begins creating a full copy in the background. Depending on how large your product is and how much content is inside, this can take a little time. You don't need to keep the pop-up open while it works. Podia will send you an email when the duplication is finished, so you'll know exactly when it's ready. After you receive that confirmation email, you'll find the duplicate listed alongside your other products in the Products section, using the name you chose. From there, you can edit the copy without affecting the original, which is the main advantage of duplicating instead of rebuilding. That's the entire process. Open Products, use the More Options menu on the item you want, choose Duplicate, name it, and decide on the sales page. Click Duplicate Product and wait for the email notification. With this workflow, you can move faster, stay consistent, and protect your original content while you iterate.